The clouded leopard is a rare and stunning wildcat found in the forests of Southeast Asia. Named for its unique coat, which features large cloud-like spots, it's a master of camouflage. Despite being relatively small compared to other big cats, it has incredibly long canine teeth, earning it the nickname modern-day saber-tooth. These agile climbers can descend trees headfirst and leap great distances. They're secretive and elusive, making them hard to spot in the wild. Their beauty and rarity make them one of nature's most enchanting predators.